Hey Lyca Mobile user, got your eSIM but not sure how to activate it on your iPhone? Let's do it in seconds. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you follow along. First, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have your QR code ready. Most flagship iPhones released after 2018 have eSIM support. Now open your camera and scan the QR code. Tap Add Activate, then Continue. Your iPhone will activate in minutes. Prefer doing it manually? No problem. Go to Settings, tap Mobile Service and select Add eSIM. Then choose Use QR Code and scan it from there. Follow the steps and your eSIM installs directly. Once it's done, you'll see Lyca Mobile and your signal bars refresh. If needed, just restart your iPhone. And that's it! Your eSIM is ready to go. Fast, simple, and no physical SIM needed. Switch smarter with Lyca Mobile.